14. The details in paragraph 4 to 5 develop a central idea of the excerpt, mainly by suggesting that, again, another paragraph reference, which is why we follow the paragraph progression of ideas in our reading. So let's just check 4 and 5. What were they about? Okay. So we had the ideas in 2 and 3 that it's a growing problem. It will grow further. 4 and 5 tell us that essentially we're not recycling these growing amounts of waste as it is. And by the way, that's bad because it causes harmful materials like mercury to get into the environment. And then it goes on in 5 to tell us part of the problem that we don't do this is there's not much regulation. Okay. So let's go back, given those ideas of the paragraph. What answer choices match that? So they suggest that 4 to 5, the toxic components of e-waste make waste collectors reluctant to process electronic devices. Nothing in there suggested the trash collectors or recyclers are reluctant to process, so that's not correct. F, communities across the nation have taken different approaches to the management of e-waste. Okay, those aren't the core ideas. It might be a fact or evidence item within those, somewhere in those 19 states of regulation, but no, that is not the core idea, right? The core idea is we can't handle what we have and it's growing to get even worse and bigger, and our regulations are not enough, right? So F is not correct. G, increased amounts of e-waste will further intensify a problem that is already inadequately, that's it. That's already inadequately addressed. So what did the paragraphs before tell us? We've got increasing amounts of e-waste, right? And 4 told us that we can't handle what we have. So we have a problem, right? And 5 tells us our regulations aren't up to snuff. So by the way, this is growing and it's already not being addressed properly. So it's probably just going to get worse. G is their answer. H, the methods that are used for disposing of non-electronic waste are inefficient for e-waste. Yeah, I mean, if I didn't really understand the ideas, I might be lured into H, but that is not the main idea of paragraphs 4 and 5. It's not about inefficiency of disposal.